Okay, so now I hope I'm audible. Okay, we will start with today's welcome session. That is onboarding session for new interns who are joining for the first time. So welcome and very good evening, everyone. I will be your host for today's onboarding session at Hackweather Limited. So my name is YashchandraSUpadhyay and I'm from Mumbai. I'm currently a senior intern and the team leader of full stack web development team, as well as Scrum managers for the daily Scrum meeting. So again, I would like to welcome to those of you who are joined today for on the 16th June 2023. So let's move on with the presentation session. So first we will have a brief discussion on the description of the company, then moving on to mission and vision of the company, then key products and the services provided by uh, our company, and then followed by the key people in our organization, followed by market analysis and the customer profiles, just what type of customer we are mainly dealing with, and we will also have brief discussion on the team management system, and finally what are our future goals and plans. So now, see, this team management part is really important. Here we will discuss like what will be your day-to-day things that you will be doing while doing this meeting, while doing this internship that you will be going to be part of soon. So yeah, I want you to understand and I want you to listen it carefully, the team management part that we will be discussing further during the presentation. So now, quickly moving on to our company. So Hackweather Limited was started somewhere around 2011, and the main goal of the company was to solve cybersecurity problem. Although we have been working before 2011, earlier Hackweather Limited was working under the brand name of VMD Technologies, which is Defense Research Organization, vendor for the embedded hardware boards and various form of verification software. Initially, Aquila Limited started by building small level cybersecurity product during 2011 and 12, I believe, and also started working towards the research and the research and the various organization where we have to make researchers understand what are the cybersecurity and what kind of publication can be done with respect to the cybersecurity domain. For about 2012, we also started delivering various cybersecurity workshop as well as somewhere around 2014 and 15 company grew with respect to the cybersecurity skill, and finally in 2017 company registered out of VMDD Technologies as a separate entity, and the core mission of the company was to work on the cybersecurity problems, research development, research support, and as well as the workforce development. And within 1 year of business, company got global and registered in Canada in 2018. So now moving on to the vision and the mission of our company. So company's main mission is to solve a hiring problem, that is to build a workforce pipeline between institutes and the industry. Our goal is to build industry level product and share experience. And you guys can contribute to our goal to build the industry level product by working with us to gain knowledge and experience, and make use of your creativity to improve the existing products and as well as building new products. Now, moving on to the key products that we have to offer. So, as I said initially, sorry. Okay. So as I said, you will be building this kind of products at the start to gain some experience, as well as these. Some of these are the fundamental products that projects that you will be working on. We have built these products already, and we will be sharing the necessary information and references of this product with you, so that you can gain experience on how the industry level products can be built. So first you can see is the body composition machine, and it is a product that we manufacture actually. And second is the paratrooper locator system. This is one of the products that we have built for the longest, and we have been building and improving this product for more than 5 years now. This is also a product that we manufacture and supply to ADRD Agra, which is a defense research organization. And third is AI blood report manager. Another important product we have used, like we have make use of AI and NLP to extract data from reports and analyze them to find anomalies and recommend proper medication, and the home remedies also make easier for doctors to analyze the report, and it is currently being used by various diagnostic labs. And the fourth is heart fitness app. It is used to measure heart health of a user. It is used by various sport version fitness coaches and the fitness related institute. We have various version of it. It is one of the there is one Android application, one is smartwatch application, and currently under development is a web application that we are currently working on. And next is we are also certified Pearson U Test Center, which conduct more than like 3,000 plus exam for companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and various assessment tests. And more than 3,500 clients are currently connected to with us through the Pearson U Test Center that make use of us, that make use of it for their assessment test. And next is algorithm trading system. So we make use of various algorithm for trading to analyze stocks, and as well as like how to find which stock will drop and how much they will drop. Apart from this, we also like work towards the various other technologies like machine learning, deep learning, and cloud computing, and other various like network simulation. And most of this product we have built are like focused toward defense research, around 33.3%, as you can see in the chart, and the 25% towards the healthcare, followed by 16.7% to professional courses and research, and around 8.3% to internships and various workforces and police services. Next is some of our core services that we have to offer. So one of the main services is software development for our client, which is the Defense Research Organization, where we work on the scientific analysis group. Apart from this, we have also like we were also working with the laser science group and Center of Fire Explosive. Apart from that, we have also worked on the healthcare segment with respect to Django web application as well as the Android and smartwatch application. Other major segment that we work with are the educational, such as creating professional courses, conducting workshops, and conducting trainings. And for the research support, we also work towards the research segment. Currently, our main scope of research are mainly machine learning, deep learning, cybersecurity, as well as network simulation. And we also are expanding our scope of research as of now. And we have discussed, as we are authorized Pearson U Test Center, we conduct more than 3,000 plus international exam, and we also develop assessment exam for some of our client. Finally, internship and professional courses we conduct offline and online internship. We also provide self-learning professional courses with live mentor. During the internship, we if you need, we may share some of the courses that we have that we can offer to you. And we also conduct a lot of workshops. Currently, some of the software courses that we had, it was around in the February and March. It was a software testing workshop where we conducted software testing workshop and provided to our intern for 30 days, where our intern got to learn more about software testing as well as how to do testing based development. Next is some of the key people in our organization. So first is Mr. Devanshu Shukla. He is a co-founder and executive officer as well as the technical officer. He manages the technical operation and projects in the Hackweather Limited, and he is also mentor for all of us. So we will be all learning under him. And then we have Mr. Vijay Kumar. He is retired wing commander of Indian Air Force and currently director of operation as well as the owner of VMD Technologies back in 2008. Followed by Ms. Neha Awasthi. She is also co-founder and director of HR. And then we have Mr. Sumit Dhama, who is co-founder of Hackweather Limited at Canada. He is in Canada and looks after the Canada branch. He also worked for American Express and Amazon before. So now Moving on to the market analysis. So since market segment is like really big for the IT, so let us say take any technology, let us say cyber security. So what we do is first we have a technology, then we first train people on that particular technology, and then we develop various assessment exam. Then we research more on that technology. Then we develop softwares and other thesis on that technology, and then we deliver it to our client, DRDO being one of the main major clients that we have. Then followed by the customer profile. So as I told you, DRDO, we are working with SAG, Scientific Analysis Group, Laser Science Technology Group, Center of Fire Explosive, Department of Education, and Ministry of Home Affairs. So the things that we have done in 2021 and 22, we deliver workshop for the various school students in Delhi NCR region for cyber security. We also worked on project like scientific analysis and etc. And then in the healthcare segment, most of our clients are dietitians, sport coaches, and doctors. Some of the projects that we have created in the healthcare segment are the, as we have already discussed, that is AI blood report manager, diet recommender, and the fitness that is heart fitness application. And some of the research segment that we help PhD scholars, we help them with the technical aspect of the things mainly, and we work with the various institutes and industries to provide them with the skilled workforce and conduct assessment tests. Now, this is really important. This is the team management system. What is the important part here is, so today it is 16 June. So today I will be giving you more information on the team management process. And then on the 17th June, that is by tomorrow, you will receive your first task, and as well as other necessary things that you should be receiving, such as access links to various resources. Let us say you got a task and you have resources, so you will get all of that information by tomorrow, as well as you will start giving your progress updates by tomorrow. So in the intern management system, we will be discussing the intern activation. So how you will be activated, and you will be like from that point onward, you will be officially intern of Hackweda Limited. And then we will move on to test task allotment, and then attendance marking, then the task and the presentation, then daily progress update, then how to request for new task and schedule presentation, and then about the scheduled presentation, how you will get more information on that, and then submission and the presentation scoring, and then the other scoring parameters that are important for you to get your completion letter. So we have various parameters and various conditions that you have to complete, and you have to follow them to get your completion letter. If one of the things I can tell you is, if you don't get more than 80%, you will not receive your completion letter. So this scoring parameter we will discuss at the end of the team management system. So make sure that you are listening to it, and if you don't understand, feel free to ask me at the end of the session. So now starting with the intern activation. So today is 16. So by today or by tomorrow, under 24 to 48 hours, you guys will receive an email like this, where your attendance will be marked automatically for that day, and then there will be your name, and it will say your attendance is marked present for the day, and your internship status is now active. If you don't receive this active intern status, you will not be getting any kind of task, as well as any kind of attendance email, as well as you will not be considered complete intern with us. So make sure that you are getting this intern activation system, that is, you're getting the intern activation email that our automated system will send you by today or by tomorrow. Now, after you have received the activation email from our automated system, your task allotment will be done by tomorrow, and the first task, that is, it will be directly allotted to you automatically. You don't have to request for new task, or you don't have to ask me in the meetings or anywhere to get the new task. Okay, our automated system will automatically send you this first task. So now this example is specifically for the web development group, but if you are from any other group, let us say you are from Python group, or you are from the DevOps group, or you are from any other group, you will receive various other tasks that are related to your group only. I hope that makes sense. So when you receive the task by tomorrow, so next, first of all, you have to confirm if your name is correct, and then there will be a project name. So The thing is, you all are probationary interns, and we are not expecting you to be like really good with your task. This is a like a time and moment where you are supposed to learn, and you are supposed to grow your technical your skills during this first task, that is your fundamental task. So in this we have project name, that is the main project. Okay, but we have divided the projects into smaller tasks. So let us say we have a big task, then we have divided into 3 or 4 small tasks. And based on the task, so let us say the task is related to deployment, then we will send it to the DevOps group, or let us say cloud group. If the task is like related to the development, we will send it to the front end group or a back end group. So make sure you are getting your task with respect to what group you are from. Full stack web developer group will certainly receive full stack project. As you can see, then you will have your task description. The task description will be what you are going to do in the task. This is the main information about the task, and you have to read it. And then there will be task instruction, how you are going to perform the task. And then if it is necessary, we will also provide the task reference, where you just have to follow the reference, or you have to make use of the references that we have provided to complete your task. Now, some of the tasks may not have references, and you have to do research on your own. So let me just clear it at the start. So, but most of the tasks will have references. If you are having some kind of problem, you guys can certainly come to the meeting and ask me for the help. Now, after your task is like you allotted and you got your task, now from tomorrow onwards, you will be marking your attendance. So from tomorrow onward, you will get a email where you will get a link for mark attendance. Now, attendance has to be marked manually, where you will be marking your attendance by clicking on this blue button. Okay, so just give me 1 second, guys. I'll be back. Okay, sorry for interruption. I hope you have read this email that you can see on your screen. So just to go over it. So first is you can see that we have so there will be a lot of multiple points in your email, and this email is like constantly changing. So make sure that you are reading your email each and every day and following the rules that we have provided to you. So first rule is your general progress and attendance. So you can see, so first is please update your progress by or before 6 p.m. every day. So the thing is, you have to give your progress update. So let us say you got your task and you make some kind of progress, right? So you have to give the progress update like what you did on that particular day. So how you can do that? Between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., you have to give your progress update in the hackweather.in website. After the website has loaded, you will see this kind of like icon at the bottom end of your screen, where you just have to click on this icon, and then a chat option will open, where you will upload your progress update. So now if your progress update is related to your coding, let us say your task has coding, then you will give link of your GitHub with the related access, as well as if suppose your task doesn't have any kind of coding, then you may have to give screenshots, or you may have to make a screen recording of your entire progress that you have made for the particular day, and upload it in the technical support chat, where the technical support chat person will see how your progress update was, if it was good or not, and then he will mark your attendance from his side. So there are two types of marking attendance. First is the manual, where you will be marking the attendance. It is compulsory that you mark the attendance from Monday to Saturday every day once you receive this email. And then there will be the technical support chat, where we will be looking at your quality of the task that you have done. Okay, so after the task attendance, your progress update is done. But now let's see the technical issue. Let us say you are giving progress update. Now we understand that you can get some kind of error while doing your task, and you may not able to make any progress because you got the error, like you are stuck at the error. So in the technical support chat itself, or at support@hackweather.in, you can email us or write in the technical support chat what error you are getting. Make sure this error is a valid error. You are not just simply posting a random error that you are getting. make sure your error is not something that if I just search it on the Google and I'm finding it. Okay, that is a simple error. You can solve it on your own. We don't want to deal with this kind of error. So make sure you are getting a genuine error. And if you post your technical issue, the technical support chat person will help you with the error as well as mark your attendance from his side only. Okay, but make sure you are clicking on this mark attendance every day from Monday to Saturday. And then now how to give progress update? As I said, you first have to go on the hackweather.in website, and then you have to wait for the page to load, and then you will see this floating button at the bottom right hand side of the screen. You have to click on this button. After clicking on this button, a pop-up will open. You just have to click on like a new conversation. After clicking on it, this pop-up will open where you have to provide your name, email, phone number, and your department. So now this is important that you are giving your correct name as well as correct email. So let us say you got disconnected from the chat due to some unknown reasons or due to say network issue. Then we will reach out to you through the email that you have provided in this area. And if it is like important, we may also give you a call on the number that you have provided. So make sure you are giving correct email, correct number, as well as make sure that you are selecting the correct department, like you are from which department. I am from web developer group, so I will obviously select the web developer group. And suppose you are from DevOps group, you are from cloud computing group, you will select that group only, right? So there are two options, offline and online. Make sure that you are selecting online as you are from the online group. Now, after you have selected this and you have clicked on the start chat, chat option will open. The information that you have provided will be automatically be sent to the technical support chat, and then you will get info, a chat box where you can type your information or your error or your progress update. Then there are also options to upload your file or attach your file. Make sure you are giving necessary information. You are attaching necessary information that you need to validate your progress, and then you are sending it using this green button. After you have sent the progress update, it will be sent, and then support person will be, join your chat. He will validate, and then if you want, you can just click on this three button hamburger menu, and then you can click on the end chat and end this current chat if your issue is resolved. Now it is important to understand that you may not get confirmation from our side if you are giving progress update, but your chats are getting recorded, and between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. we go through all the chats that we have for the progress update and validate the progress updates each and every day. Okay, so it is important that you don't wait necessarily for the progress update, but make sure you are getting an error, you are waiting for you for any technical support person to join the chat and resolve your query. Now, let us say due to some technical issue, you are not able to connect to any technical support person. You can basically join the daily Scrum meeting. Let me know your progress update, or let me know your any kind of error that you are getting, or you have any kind of general queries. You can obviously join the daily Scrum meeting. This is the same link. Make sure you are bookmarking this link and you are joining through this link only each and every day between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, then you can also email at the support@hackweather.in. Okay, so make sure that you are emailing if you are not able to get in touch with any support person. You can basically email it if you are not able to join the Scrum meeting. This is also an option, but we tell you to join the daily Scrum meeting and let me know any query you have so that we can resolve your query as soon as possible. Now, moving on to, let us say your first task is done. Now you want to get a new task as well as want to get scores for your first task. Okay. Now this is important. To get a score, you have to click on schedule presentation. Now your task is done. You have to create a presentation on that task. And after you have created the presentation, you will upload the PPT file in the technical support chat, as well as you will click on the schedule presentation. After clicking on the schedule presentation, you will get this kind of email where you will get a presentation date and time, where you will join at that date and time and give your presentation. And after your presentation is done, you will click on this assign new task, where you will get your new task and you can start working on your new task as soon as possible. Now coming to the presentation. Now this is really important. As I said, if you want to get score, if you want to get your completion letter, you must complete presentations. So what does that mean? So let us say during the probation period of 2 months, you completed 4 tasks. Now to get a completion letter, you must have 4 presentation and scores for all 4 presentation. After you have clicked on schedule presentation, there will be a presentation name for the topic that you have scheduled presentation. There will be details, a minor detail, and then a presentation date. Make sure you are joining on that date. And then after you have like completed your presentation, you have showed like demonstrated your task that you have done, you will get receive score out of 110. Now you should get 88 and above to get your completion letter, like successful completion letter, where if your score is really good, we will also provide you with the paid internship. Okay, there is an evaluation session at the end of each month where we look at the scores of our intern and see if the scores are really good. So let us say if your score are more than 90%, you will certainly receive the paid internship. And if you are not eligible for the paid internship, let us say after the period of 2 months, you may like let us say you want to have internship for 3 or 4 months. You can certainly join us for the 3 or 4 month probationary period only. Okay, but if you want to get paid internship, make sure that you are getting good score, and in the evaluation session you are getting like good evaluation, right? So evaluation is done by our mentor, that is Mr. Devanshu Shukla. He will look at all the score. He will look at your behavior. He will look at the task that you have done. If you have given the progress updates, what is the quality of your task? Based on that, he will provide you with the like paid internship offer. Okay. But before that, if you want to get the completion letter for the probation period, you must get 80% or above score. So make sure that you are getting that, and make sure you are preparing the presentations thoroughly. You can look at the previous meetings that we have uploaded on the YouTube. Most of them are unlisted. So, but we have made some of the presentation public. You can go through them, look at the how the presentation are done, how the review is being done. And based on those, so let us say you receive the topic of Dr. Search website, you can look through the previous presentation where the Dr. Search website is done. You can look at the reviews and then understand and then create a presentation that is satisfactory to get a good score. Okay. So after the score is done, now let us look at the various scoring parameters that we have. So during a presentation, it is important that you have a good hook and good story. So let us say where while doing a presentation, you first will receive a task, right? So after receiving the task, what you understood from the client requirement, right? In the task, there will be task description as well as task instruction. So make sure you are understanding the client requirement, and in the presentation itself, you are like explaining what the client requirement is. We will also see if you are like giving proper self-introduction as well as the proper introduction to the task itself, as well as we will look at the various other parameters. So let us say if your hook was correct, if you have used the correct story, so make sure that you are using some kind of scenarios that are relatable to your viewers so that they can understand your topic really easily. And then we will also look at the PPT score. So how well you have created the PPT, what is like the formatting, if the visibility is correct, and what is the actual content of your PPT, if your actual PPT content is good or not. Then there will be communication score. So now this communication score is actually like we see how well was your overall communication with your team, overall communication with your scrum manager, overall communication with your colleagues and the various people who are doing, let us say, same task as you. So based on that, we give communication score for each presentation. So let us say you got your task one. So during the task one period, what was your communication score? You will receive it out of 10 in the email itself where you will be sending your score. And then there is end presentation score. So we will see if you have concluded your presentation well, as well as we will see if the proper Q&A slide was included, if the proper Q&A was conducted with your viewers, if you have ended your presentation on a good note. Let us say you have added a limitations, or let us say you got into some kind of error while doing the task and you are able to explain how you resolve that error so that it is a meaningful presentation. And then there will be very important demonstration score. So when you have completed a task, you will be making presentation on the task. You will be also demonstrating it. You will get this score out of 10. How well you can demonstrate your score will be your task score, right? So make sure you are you are preparing thoroughly for your task demonstration and you are demonstrating it. You can sure go ahead and look at the previous presentation for your particular tasks that are done in the previous internship meeting and prepare according to that. Then, as you know, this is a online internship. Make sure your camera is proper, your mic is proper, and you are your background image is also like proper. You are not sitting in like car, or let us say in a train, or let us say somewhere in dangerous situation. You are in safe situation, you are have proper internet connection, we are able to like hear you properly, and we are able to have a conversation without any problem. So based on these parameters, these are the 11 parameters, you get score out of 110, and make sure you are getting more than 88% score to have more chances to get paid internship as well as getting your completion letter. Now, to continue with the email that you will be receiving every day. So we discussed on the task, schedule presentation, as well as getting errors and as well as making attendance and giving progress update. Now moving on to the Scrum meeting. So as you know, this is the Scrum meeting that happen from every day, that is Tuesday to Friday, every week, Tuesday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. In this meeting, we basically conduct the presentation session. So in the chat, you must be reading, some people are saying they have presentation actually. So they are giving their presentation, and based on those presentation, they will receive the score, and based on the evaluation, they will get their completion letter. Other than that, we are also like having a general discussion session where if you are getting some kind of error, if you have some kind of problem regarding your internship, you can ask me the question. I will forward it to Devanshu Shukla sir, and if possible, I will try to help you on the spot as soon as possible. Now, let us say you want to get a leave. We understand that you are a college student. All of us are like basically college students, and you want to get a leave due to exams, or you have some personal issues where you have to get a leave, you can certainly apply for leave. You can basically go on Trello or go on the technical support chat or email us at the support at the hacker, or you can basically join the Scrum meeting. Let me know the ending and the joining date of your internship. Let us say you want to get leave for the 3 days. So let me so let me know what is your start of leave and when you will be coming back, as well as give me your email and your other information, like you are from which group and other information. Then you can apply for leave. During the leave period, you will not get the attendance emails. Okay. And when you are not getting the attendance email, we are also not expecting you to give progress updates. So if you want to if you want to get a leave, please feel free to get a leave. Then let us say your probation period is completed. After the 2-month probation period, if you are like seeking for a paid internship or you are seeking for the probation completion letter, you can basically let us know on the technical support chat your full name, email, start duration, probation ending duration, the number of tasks you have done, and it will be much more better if you are able to give the date and the number of presentation that you have done. Because if you give the number of presentation you have done as well as the date of each presentation, you will be able to verify the task and other information very quickly, and you will get your probation letter as soon as possible. So more you help us, more you will get faster, more you will get and we have, yeah, so internship duration completion. So let us say after the 2-month period you got the the probation letter, and you are got the paid internship also, and you were given paid internship, then you will become full-time intern with us, not just a probation intern. During the full-time intern, let us say you completed your presentation for the period of 6 months, and after the 6 months is done, you can basically ask us for the completion letter. That will be your internship completion letter. Again, go on the technical support chat and provide the same information. You will get your completion letter. Now, this is Trello. Now, previously we used to use Trello. We were very active on the Trello, but now for all the attendance, for all the progress update, as well as the various resources, we are we are basically conducting on the technical support chat as well as this meeting. And if you want to get access to the previous internship meeting recording, this information, then there is a public board that we have. If you want, I can share it with you where you can get access to the previous recording that we have. Okay. Or you can simply just go to our YouTube channel and search for the previous meeting recording and you will get access to mostly all of them. Okay. But suppose there is some kind of reference and some kind of help, you can basically reach out to us through the Trello itself also. That is also possible. But as I said, we are not really active on it. So make sure that you are only reaching out to us through the Scrum meeting or technical support chat. Now, moving on to our future plans and the various other things that we have. So it is to build new product and the application mockup, as well as provide a better workforce and build better workforce pipeline between the industries and the institutes. Now, moving on to really important, there is intern introduction. So what I want is, so all the interns will have to give their introduction one by one. So ensure that your camera and mic is working properly. Your camera must be on during the introduction because it is getting recorded. The other people who are currently working in the Hackweather Limited full time, let us say our mentor Devanshu Shukla sir, as well as the other people who are will be helping you, let us say support person or any other people who are there from the HR team, they will be looking at your introduction and then they will confirm if the right person has joined for the internship, as well as your colleagues and your other team members will get to know you better, and you will also get to know your team members and as well as colleagues to know better, right? So what I want is, I want all of you to raise your hand, and then after you have raised your hand, I will go in order of raised hand. The after I have given you permission to unmute, you will have to start your camera. Then you have to tell me your branch name, your college name, your branch name, your year and the college year. And then if you have done any professional certificate, you have accomplished any award, that is completely optional. You may not have done any professional certificate, no problem, you can skip that. But it is important that you tell me your technical skill set, what are your current technical skill set and what you are expecting from the internship, as well as let us know you have joined from which the group. So let us say if you have joined for Python group or the full stack internship, let us say let us know what you have joined for. Okay. So we will start with the intern introduction session. I will give you 10 to 20 seconds to raise your hand. And it is really important because if you don't raise your hand, you will not be validated from the backend, as well as you will not receive your first task, you will not receive your activation mail, and your entire the internship will not be considered as official internship. So make sure that you are raising that hand. Now I will give you 10 to 20 seconds, and during that time I want as many people as possible to raise their hand, and then we will move on to the intern introduction session. Now, just a quick information to the interns who are already interns with us, not the new interns, but the previous batch intern. If you had any presentation, I believe Akash Lamba sir is taking the session along with me. You can go there, and if it's if presentation session is not going on, you can basically join on Tuesday and give your presentation, because today we are onboarding new session. So please understand the problem we have. Okay. So I can see a lot of people have raised their hand. I will give you 10 more seconds. I want as many people as possible to raise their hand. Okay, then we will start with the introduction session. Now, if you don't know how to raise your hand in the Zoom, uh, at the bottom of your screen, I hope you can see a toolbar where you will have an option of reactions. You can click on the reaction tab, and there you will get option to raise your hand. Okay. So at the bottom of your screen, there is a reaction option. You can click on the reaction, and there you will get the raise hand option. Okay. So now, okay, we'll start with Gayatri. Hello, Gayatri. Please turn your camera.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Myself, my name is Gayatri. I completed my BTech in this year. My branch is Electronics and Communication. I completed my BTech in 2023. I'm from Gayatri Vidya Parishad College. I have done some courses in Udemy. I have done some courses like data structures, Agile and Scrum, Unix, Linux. And coming to my technical skills, I prefer to code in C++. I'm also aware of Python. I'm having good knowledge on SQL. So in this internship, I picked the topic data science with Azure. From this internship, I want to gain my skills, and also I want to explore my strengths and weakness. And I also want to learn about this workspace culture.
Okay. Thank you for your introduction, Gayatri. So I will say that please enter your full name in the when you are joining next time in the Zoom, or if it is not possible, then you may also join with your email, because there are multiple Gayatri we already have from the previous batch, so it may be confusing for me. Okay, so please enter your full name next time. Okay, thank you, Gayatri.
Thank you.
We'll move on to next intern, that is Lovely.
Hear me?
Yes.
I'm from Manipal. Technology in computer science and full stack web developer.
Okay, thank you, Lovely. We'll move on to next intern. That is YashchandraSUpadhyay. Hello, your camera is not visible. Hello, Kushaguru. See, okay, fix your camera and mic, then we'll come back to you. Shreya.
Hello. So my name is Shreya, and I am currently. Yes. 1 minute. Is it visible?
No.
Is it visible now?
No, it is not visible.
I'm not getting the video.
Then fix it. We'll come back to you. Okay. Nimit.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, hi, good evening everyone. My name is Nimit Zakaria. I'm from Manipal University as well, Computer Science Department, third year student. I have a little bit of experience in JavaScript and Django, and I'm joining the full stack development program.
Okay, thank you, Nimit, for your introduction. We'll move on to Nikita.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm Nikita Srivastav. I'm from Bhilai Institute of Technology, Durg. I'm currently pursuing engineering in electronics and telecommunication branch. I'm in 4th year of my engineering, and I have some basic knowledge of Python, and I'm doing internship in Hackveda as in Python programming domain, and I'm looking forward to gain more experience in this domain. I have also won an award in my college in a project-based competition it was, where I have developed a virtual assistant using various APIs and libraries. So that's it.
Okay, thank you, Nikita, for your introduction. We'll move on to Nikhil.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Nikhil Verma, and I'm a student of Computer Science and Engineering in RGIPT, which is a national college in Raebareli. And I'm a pre-final year CSC undergraduate. And currently, I don't have any professional certification, but yeah, I work as the cultural secretary in my college. And as a technical skill set, I have my full stack web development from the Udemy very top course from the Angela U. And I have worked with Python, C++, JavaScript, and other competitive languages. And that's it, sir.
Okay, thank you, Nikhil. We'll move on to Mohammed. Mohammed.
I'm audible.
Yeah, you must start.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohammed Saim. I'm from Zakir Hussain College of Engineering and Technology, Aligarh Muslim University. I'm a final year student, and my main coding domain are of Python, C++, and Solidity. And I have been selected in the machine learning internship program.
Okay, thank you, Sam. We'll move on to Pratham.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
And am I visible?
Yeah.
So hello, everyone. My name is Prithvi Pujari, and I will be entering my 4th year in the next month. My branch is Electronics and Computer Science, and my college is SIS Graduate School of Technology, which is associated with Mumbai University. In the past, I have worked in full stack web development projects and blockchain projects as well. But right now, I have decided to focus towards data science as something that I would like to pursue and continue in the future, and which is why I've enrolled in the data science internship.
Okay, thank you, Pratham. We'll move on to Surya Shankar.
Hello everyone, my name is Surya Shankar. I completed my Master's in Robotics and Autonomous Systems on 2022, and I have Azure certifications like Azure Fundamentals, AI Fundamentals, and I also completed some personal project on data science, and I joined here for deep learning and machine learning. Yeah, that's about it.
Okay, thank you. We'll move on to Ashish.
Hello, sir. Am I audible and visible as well?
Yes.
Hello, sir. My name is Ashish KrishnaDevte. I am from Computer Science branch, and I am from TKIT Varanagar College of Engineering. I am still pursuing my last year, and looking forward to get this internship so that I could have some real-time industrial experience. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ashish. We'll move on to Jaspal.
Hello. Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you can start.
Sir, I am Jaspal. My branch is computer science. I have completed my master degree in from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra, and my session was 2021 to 2023. And my technical skills are core Java, advanced Java, core Python, R programming language, and SQL, etc. And I want to become a Java developer. So I want to join this internship from Hackville.
Okay, thank you. We will move on to Hemant Raj.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. Am I visible?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So good evening, everyone. My name is Hemant. I have completed my 3rd year in computer and communication engineering from Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. And I have interest in data analytics. So I have joined the machine learning and deep learning domain of Hackville. Looking forward to it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Hemant. We'll move on to Jubin Shah. Hello, Jubin.
audible?
You are audible, but your voice is really slow, and your camera is also not perfectly visible.
Is it better now?
Okay. Yeah, you are short.
Yeah, so my name is Zubin Shah and I am from NIT Goa. I am from computer science batch in my fourth year currently. I have pursued computer programming and PSA certifications from Coding Ninjas. And technically, I have solid understanding in data structures and algorithms. I have a night badge on Lead Code platform. And I'm looking forward to improve my proficiency in machine learning, deep learning domain, and build projects, which is why I've enrolled into this machine learning program. Management wise, I am the president of coding club in our college and looking forward to have a great learning experience here. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Judy. We'll move on to Khalid Ansari.
Sir, my voice is visible. My voice is audible.
Yeah, you can start.
My name is Khalid Ansari. I'm from NIT Goa. I'm currently doing computer science and engineering and I'm in fourth year. I would like to join. I have the technical skill sets, in-depth knowledge of C++, Python, and Java, and I have basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. I have taken this internship in web development, and I would like to apply it in real life knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Khalid. We will move on to Rudra Kumar.
Am I visible, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, myself, I'm Hriday. I'm currently from IIT Mandi. I belong to electrical engineering branch. I'm in my third year. So my current technical skill set is C++, JavaScript, and HTML and CSS. I've done few courses on data science. Now I've joined machine learning and deep learning here in Hackney. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rudra. We'll move on to Elrips.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
My name is Elvis Gonsalves. I'm a CSE student at NIT Goa. I'm in my fourth year, and I have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And so I've taken the full stack web development internship to expand my knowledge in that area. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Elvis. So we'll move on to Abhilash.
Hello.
Yeah, that's right.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Abhilasha Rajak. I'm from Sagar, and currently I am pursuing BTech from Infinity Management Engineering College, Sagar, with the computer science branch, and my technical skill is Java. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. We'll move on to Anshupan.
Good evening, sir. My name is Anshita Sharma, and I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Banaspali Vidyapith, Rajasthan, and I am from West 2024. I have completed a certificate course in computer programming and application from Banaspali Vidyapith itself. I am working on programming language like C++, Java, and I have knowledge about web development as well, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I am joining Hackweda as a Python intern, and I am aiming to expand my skill set to various industrial projects in Python. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ajay. We'll move on to Ananya.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ananya Mishra, and I'm a student in BIT Durg. I am currently pursuing BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication. I've just completed my third year. I have done certain courses in Python programming, and I have a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. I will be joining as an intern in Python programming domain. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ananya. We'll move on to Rohit. Yeah, Rohit.
Yes, can I continue, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, good evening, everyone. I'm Rohit Raju. I have completed my third year BTech in CSC department from MIT Manipal. So I have some knowledge on HTML, CSS, and also in Django. I also have some technical knowledge in Java, Python, and C. So I have taken full stack web development in this, and I'm looking forward to improve my full stack web development skills in this program.
Okay, thank you, Rohit. We'll move on to Amrita.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Amitam Shekhar, and my branch is computer science, and I'm currently in third year. And my college is MIT Manipal, and I have completed professional certification in AWS, and I have some technical skill in Django and full stack development, and I know some basic language like Java, Python, and C. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Amrita. We'll move on to Shubhankar.
Hello, can you hear me?
Please turn your camera.
Am I visible too?
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. My name is Shubhankar Ram. I completed my engineering last year from BMSIT in the field of electronics and communication. Right now, I want to pursue my master's in a management-related course. That's the reason I'm trying to get an internship in digital marketing from Hackveda. I've worked as an intern in my in a company called PR Financial Services, where I've gained some knowledge regarding finance, and now I want to open up myself towards the digital marketing domain. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shubhankar. We'll move on to Vijay.
Yeah, am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Vijay Vardhan Reddy. I have completed my third year from CC branch, Computers and Communication from Manipal, and I have basic understanding of Python, C, and C++. I have opted Hackveda for Python programming so I can improve my skill set on Python. So,
okay, thank you. We'll move on to Kushi.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you can start.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Kushi Saha. I'm currently a fourth-year student at BIT Durg, pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication. Apart from this, I'm also a student at IIT Madras, pursuing BS in Data Science and Applications, where I've completed my foundation level and currently I'm in diploma level. Earlier, I've worked on projects related to Django, React, Blue, and I've joined Hackveda as a deep learning and machine learning intern, and I look forward to gain practical knowledge and thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vijay. We'll move on to Tarun. Tarun Kumar Reddy. Lakshmi. I have sent you a request to the
Hello.
yeah, sure.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I'm Lakshman from MIT Manipal. Recently completed my third year in CSC department, and my skills are C, Python, and Solidity in blockchain related few projects. So I've chosen for deep learning and machine learning for more experience.
Okay, thank you, Lakshman. We'll move on to Kamlesh.
Am I audible?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kamlesh Lodhi, and I am from Sagar. I am joined as an intern Java developer. Sorry, I want to become a Java developer, so I am joining as an intern as Java, and I want to explore my Java world. Thank you.
Thank you, Amish. We'll move on to Raj.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. Myself, Rajkumar Prasad. I am basically from Bihar, but currently staying in Jharkhand. I did my graduation in 2022 in BTech Computer Science and Engineering from Gandhi Institute of Technology and Management, Bhubaneswar, from BPUT University. I am a certified web developer from Interns trainings, and I have the technical skills front end technology through HTML and CSS and JavaScript, and I have also a knowledge of in backend programming using Core Java and J2EE. And I joined Hackveda full stack developer to gain a knowledge, and I want and improving my technical skills and working on real time projects. So therefore I'll join in Hackveda, and I'll join Hackveda as a full stack developer. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you, Raj. We'll move on to Kostu.
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yeah.
I am Kaustav from Manipal Institute of Technology and currently pursuing computer science engineering. And I've just completed my third year. And my technical skill sets are C++, Python, Java, HTML, and so on. And so actually, I want to ask you a question. So are the internship periods, if I want to work for 4 weeks, so will I get the completion letter after it? And
you have to ask technical support chat for that. You can go
as it was not mentioned specifically, like do I have to complete like whole 2 months or something related to that?
Yeah, we do provide for the 4-week period. Okay, but you can confirm with the technical support chat once.
Okay, sir.
But
Thank
as
you.
far as I know, yeah, there are people who have done internship for 4 period, and we have given them the completion letter also.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. And I have joined for full stack web development.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
But make sure you are telling the technical support chat that you have joined for 4 weeks only. Okay.
Okay. Should I text like today itself, or from tomorrow onwards I should text while marking the attendance?
Between Monday to Friday, 10 to 6.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Kosta. Then Pratik.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pratik Kishore Shetty. I'm from MIT Manipal. I've just completed my third year engineering from the branch of CC, which is Communication Engineering. I was interested in data analytics, so I applied here for the ML and deep learning internship.
Okay. Thank you, Pratik. We'll move on to Shelja.
Good evening, everyone. I am Shelja Agarwal. I am pursuing my BTech from Zakir Hussain College of Engineering and Technology, Aligarh Muslim University. My branch is electronics, and I have just completed my third year. I have completed a course of data structure and algorithm from Coding Ninjas. Coming to my technical skills, I do programming in C++. I also have a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, and I have an idea of about microcontrollers such as Raspberry Pi and Arduino. I have enrolled in full stack developer program. From this internship, I want to enhance my knowledge as a stack developer. And with this internship, I will also get a chance to interact with people, which will help me to gain more knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shelja. We'll move on to Ittisham Mansoori.
Am I audible?
Yeah, but turn your camera on first. Yeah, yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I am Isha Mansuri. I am from Department. I have completed my graduation in DCA from Vikram University and post-graduation from RGPT Bhopal. I have knowledge in HTML, Python, JavaScript, and I have good knowledge in SQL as well. I have chosen full stack web development internship as my interest is in web development, and I am looking forward to gain knowledge regarding to real life industrial experience.
Yeah, thank you, Kishan. Then Raj Bhushan.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, hello, everyone. My name is Raj Bhushan, and I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. And I can work on Python and C++. And I have taken embedded system and IoT as my internship course. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Raj. We'll move on to Astitya Dwivedi.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yep. So my name is Astitya Dwivedi. I am currently in a third year in computer science department at Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. My skill set include Munstack and data structures and algorithms. And I'm looking forward to get some industry experience in full stack field. That's why I've joined in full stack internship at Hyderabad. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Astitya. We'll move on to Mohit.
I'm from YashchandraSUpadhyay with fourth year triple student, and I am completed DBMS, machine learning, C and C++, Python, and so on courses. And I chose the course in Hackveda is Java programming. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mohit. We'll move on to Arpit.
Sir, am I visible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Arpit Goswami. I have completed my third year in computer science from Manipal Institute of Technology. I have joined the internship as a web developer, and I have prior experience in Django and JavaScript. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Arpit. We'll move on to Shayantan. Shayantan. Sorry for not pronouncing it.
Okay. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Shayantan Maji. My branch is Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering in IIIT Kalyani. I have just completed my second year. I joined full stack web development. I have some experience in Python and machine learning.
Okay.
Thank you.
Move on to Siddhant. Siddhant, your camera is not visible.
Sir, my voice is visible, audible?
Yeah, but
Hello.
your camera is not visible.
Is it
Now
now?
it is visible.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Siddhant. I am currently a third year student at Manipal pursuing information technology. I have done few projects in data mining, web development, and app development. I've taken this full stack web development to get some real life experience. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shiva. We'll move on to Shiva.
So is my web camera, is my video?
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. My name is Shubham Suryank, and I am from CSE branch from MIT Manipal, and I have recently completed my third year and I have joined Hackveda as a full stack web development course.
Okay. Thank you, Shiva. We'll move on to Hira.
Am I audible? Sir?
Yes.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Hira Singh. Currently, I am pursuing BTech from Infinity Management and Engineering College Sagar by the branch of Computer Science and Engineering. And I have done certification courses via Udemy, like full stack development and modern stack technology on Udemy platform, and data structures and algorithm course using Java programming on the platform of Apna College. And I have technical skills on C++, Java, Python, and using body programming languages to apply data structures and algorithms. And I have also the wages of programming in a HackerRank platform in C++ and Java. And that's all about. Thank you.
We'll move on to Ritik.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Ritik Raj, and currently I have completed my third year from Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal, in Computer Science branch, and I have certifications in Coursera for web development, full stack web development, and technical skills. I code in Python, C++, C. So, I have pursued this internship in full stack web development. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritik. We'll move on to Srinikita.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sri Nikita. Currently completed my third year from mechanical engineering at IIT ISM Mumbai, and I applied for full stack development, and I also do coding in C++, Java. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. We'll move on to Manish.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
My name is Manish, and I completed my third year in Manipal Institute of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. And my technical skills are HTML, CSS, Java, and Django. I applied for full stack web development. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Manish. We'll move on to Sadanand.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, that's sure.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Sadanand. I recently completed my master's in robotics from the University of Lincoln, and I have some background. I have some background knowledge in machine learning and artificial intelligence, and I have joined the machine learning and deep learning internship in Hackveda. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Sadanand. We'll move on to Abhilasha. Hello, Abhilasha. You are not audible. You are not audible. Please fix your mic. You are still not audible. In audio setting, make sure you are using correct mic. We'll come back to you. Charity, we are already done with you. Bhavesh.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bhavesh Kanyal, and I'm from MIT Manipal, currently pursuing CSE, and I'm in my 6th semester. And so I've enrolled in the full stack development in Hackveda. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhavesh. We'll move on to Asim. Ashim.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, please turn your camera.
Good evening to all. My name is Asim Patra. I completed my BTech from Silicon Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar in 2023 year. Currently, I joined in Amazon Web Service technical skill set for getting more knowledge of depth knowledge about AWS to improve my knowledge, skill and knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. We'll move on to Rahul.
Am I audible and visible, sir?
Yeah.
Hello, very good evening, sir, and good evening, all of you. My name is Rahul Sen, and I am from Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. I have pursuing my BTech from Infinity Management and Engineering College Sagar, with the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. I am a final year student. I have a professional certification in Java with DSA, and I have also a certificate from Great Learning app. About my technical skill sets, I have a knowledge in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I love the code in Java, and I have also a knowledge in C++ and Python. I want to join the Hagveda Limited because of I want to improve my technical skills in Java. That's all of me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Rahul. We'll move on to Ratul Das.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello. So my name is Ratul Dash. I'm coming from Kolkata and pursuing third year in CST department, and I will join Hackveda for AWS developer. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ravi. We'll now see again. So, YashchandraSUpadhyay, I can see there are two YashchandraSUpadhyay.
Hello, sir. Am I visible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So good evening, everyone. I'm YashchandraSUpadhyay. I'm from Data Science and Engineering branch in fourth year, IIT Mandi. And my skill sets include machine learning and deep learning using TensorFlow, Keras, and Hugging Face. And I have a deep learning specialization from Coursera and image processing in Python from DataCamp. And I have joined this internship to gain more skills and gain real world experience from this internship. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Prashant. We'll move on to Anil. So I can see there are more people who have raised their hand. Ratul Das, I believe we have done with your introduction, so please lower your hand. And also, those who are done with their introduction, they can lower their hand. And Avilashan, we are also done with you. So, Shreya.
Hello, hi, I'm Shreya and I'm currently studying in Manipal Institute of Technology. I have just finished my third year and currently my skill sets include Python, Java, C++, and Django. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shreya. We'll move on to Tarun Kumar.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. I myself, Tarun Kumar Reddy from MIT Manipal. I'm pursuing computer science engineering. I have basic knowledge on C++, Java, and Python. I have done basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have now I'm opting for full stack development. So thank you.
Okay, thank you, Tarun. We'll move on to Ansh.
Good evening, sir. Am I visible?
Yeah.
So, hello everyone. My name is Ansh, and I have completed my second year in BTech Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. I've done two projects. One is voice assistant, and another is sentimental analysis using Python. I will be joining as an intern in Python programming to boost my real world project knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, Thank you, Ansh. So we have Khateja Sayyed.
Hello, am I audible?
You are not visible.
Hello?
Please turn your camera on.
Yes. Hello everyone, this is Khadija Sayyed from Pune University. I'm pursuing my last year from BCA, Bachelor of Computer and technical skills. I have Python, Java, core Java, and also advanced Java, C++, C hash, and PHP, also database knowledge, and basic HTML and CSS. Last year, I have worked on two projects. One was an e-commerce website, and the other one was a portfolio website. And I have enrolled in the full stack web development internship program with Hackveda. Looking forward to it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Abhilasha Lodhi, you are available. That was Abhilasha Rajapti that had done that introduction. Manu available.
Am I visible?
Yeah.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Naram. I'm from Computer Science Engineering. I've completed my third year in MIT Manipal. So I have interested in mobile app development. So I have applied for mobile app development. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, Abhilasha Lodhi. You are not audible, Abhilasha. Hello, Abhilasha. You are not audible. Fix your mic. Okay. So I have written all the names who have given me their introduction. I will send this name to the Devanshu sir. He will cross verify as well as look at these videos, look at your instructions, and then will give you activation email first task. So tomorrow you will receive your first email that is for the marking attendance. Okay. Now, if you don't receive your first task by tomorrow, make sure you click on the assign new task tomorrow so that you can get your task on Monday. Okay. All of you, if you will not receive your task tomorrow by 2 p.m., 3 p.m., make sure you click on the assign new task. Okay. So that you can get your first task on Monday or start working on it. Okay, then I believe we are mostly done with all of them. We only have one little left. So please fix your mic and then we'll have your introduction at hand. So now moving on with the presentation. So we have come to a conclusion of our presentation. So first of all, just for a quick summary, what we have discussed, I will also go through all the important information once more. Tomorrow you will receive your activation email or by today. If you don't receive your activation email by tomorrow, make sure to join on Tuesday and let me know that you have not received the activation email. On Tuesday, this is Scrum meeting 7 to 9 p.m. Join the meeting and let me know you have not received the activation. Only and only if you have not received it by tomorrow. Second of all, if you don't receive your first task tomorrow, you will receive your attendance email tomorrow. In the attendance email, there will be option to get a new task. There will be a blue color button that will say assign new task. You have to click on that. I hope this clears everything. Second of all, from Monday onwards, you will give your progress update each and every day from Monday to Saturday between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the technical support chat. If you have any query, ask them in the technical support chat. You are not getting support, join the Scrum meeting, let me know what the issue is. Make sure you complete the task in deadline, give the presentation and get the scoring done. Right. Second of all, the Scrum meetings are happening from Tuesday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. There are two Scrum meetings going on parallelly. One is conducted by me. This is the main meeting. Make sure to bookmark this link. Second is conducted by either Akash Lamba sir or Saurabh Singh sir. Either one of them will conduct the session, and then you can give your presentation to them also. Now, I would like to conclude this session. Then join on Tuesday, Saturday. If you have any question, I will resolve your queries on Tuesday. We are not having the question answer session today, but we will do have question answer session on the Tuesday. Join between 7 to 9. Ask any query you have. You can also reach out to us through the technical support chat, or you can also email us at the support@hackveda.in. So this is our main admin email. You can if you have any suggestion, if you have any problem, you can email us at the admin@hackveda.in or support@hackveda.in. Make sure to, if you get any progress update, errors or any problems, you reach out to us through hackveda.in technical support chat. You can also WhatsApp us on this number, or you can call us on this number. Okay, if you are getting some kind of issue or anything, you can message on us on this number. Okay, and again, Hackveda Limited, welcome all of you. Welcome to the family of Hackveda Limited. We wish you good luck for this internship. And as I said, Ansh, tomorrow there will be no meeting. The meetings are only on between Tuesday to Friday, 7 to 9 p.m. So thank you for joining. We will conclude the session today. You guys can leave now. If you have any question, join on Tuesday. Let me know. We will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Now, all the people whose introduction is left, I believe you have raised your hand. So, Abhilash Alodi. Okay, see, you are not audible still, Abhilash. Fix your mic on Tuesday. I will take your introduction. Okay, so join on Tuesday. Fix your mic, and then we will have your introduction. Okay, so thank you for joining. Yeah, sure. So thank you for joining. And one thing I will tell you while you are going, make sure to watch the video that I will upload on YouTube. See how you have given your introduction and work on your introduction. Because if you are not able to give a proper introduction, you need to heavily work on your communication skills. Okay, communication skills are the most fundamental thing that you need to work on. And the more better your communication skills are, the better experience you will have in this internship session, as well as in future. Okay, so make sure to work on your communication skill. Make sure you learn a lot during this internship. And again, join on Tuesday, 7 to 9 p.m. Have any question, ask me. Okay, so thank you for joining. Now I will conclude this session. You guys can start to leave now.